Tri-Color was just named Innovative Safety Product of the Year at the 2024 Safety Excellence Awards Banquet. Thank you to Lab Manager and thank you to our customers now and in the future for their support.
It's both a privilege and a profound honor to stand before you today and accept the Lab Manager Safety Excellence Award on behalf of the entire team at Fume Hood Certified. First and foremost, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the award committee for recognizing our efforts in enhancing laboratory safety. I also want to thank our dedicated team at Fume Hood Certified, whose relentless commitment to innovation and safety has brought us here today.
At Fume Hood Certified, our mission is clear: to make laboratories safer, one fume hood at a time. We understand the critical role that fume hoods play in protecting lab personnel from harmful exposures. Chip Albright and his partners have seen more than their fair share of unsafe labs, and we recognize that two things can be done better: training and testing as it relates to fume hood performance. The challenge of fume hood safety is ever evolving. Hazardous chemicals and complex procedures demand not only compliance, but also a culture of safety. This is where Tri-Color steps in. Tri-Color is game-changing technology, and it's a much more robust form of containment testing that's simple and economical. There's a huge misconception that average face velocity is a measure of safety, but it just isn't. There's actually no direct relationship between face velocity and containment. Safe hood performance is all about containment, not face velocity alone. Many people test face velocity only and assume that the hood is performing safely, but a large number of those hoods are not safe at all. We revolutionized fume hood testing, making results highly visual and easy to understand. If your fume hood has a loss of containment, with Tri-Color, you can see it. We believe that if you can't see a problem, you can't fix it. And that's why we say, seeing is believing. What truly sets Tri-Color apart is its visual result when real-world challenges are performed. Let me show you. Well, this is how Tri-Color works. Smoke ejects from the Tri-Color unit, and with the red laser behind the sash, you can see exactly how the air inside the hood is behaving. Have you ever actually seen the air as it's floating around and moving inside of your hood? Without Tri-Color, air is invisible, but now that you can see it, look at it. Take notes, observe it. Does the airflow seem smooth? Does the airflow seem turbulent? Is the air behaving differently on the left side of the hood than it is on the right side of the hood? What can you learn just by watching the air behavior? With the red laser, you can observe and educate yourself on what's going on with the air that's inside of the hood. With the green laser that's placed on the outside of the sash, anytime fumes or air escape the hood chamber, you'll be able to see it light up in bright green. That means that a poorly performing hood may have many consecutive green flashes, and when performing the Tri-Color challenges, you'll find that it's easy to pull the smoke out of the hood and for it to get exposed with the green laser. This also means that a hood that's containing well may not have any green smoke flashes at all, or just minuscule flashes of green smoke showing small micro failures. And you'll find that when testing a hood that's actually containing really well, that even when doing the Tri-Color challenges, that it's hard to get the air to exit the hood and to light up green. So when you're testing a hood and it looks like this with no green smoke, that hood is performing well and will likely receive a good rating. But if you're testing a hood that has constant flashes of green smoke coming out of the hood chamber and you're having even more loss of containment when doing the Tri-Color challenges, you can be sure that that fume hood is not containing properly, and whoever uses it will be at risk of exposure to breathing chemicals. A hood like that will fail its safety test and should be repaired immediately. As you just saw, with Tri-Color testing, you can see how your hood performs in your lab under conditions that are occurring all the time. But Tri-Color isn't just about testing, it's also about education. Because we feel that if you can see hazards and understand how the user's actions in and around the hood impact the performance, it will greatly increase their awareness and improve the likelihood that they become safer operators. Another groundbreakingly innovative product that was developed by Chip is called the Fume Hood Performance Tracker. This is a powerful software that allows anyone to access a fume hood's test results just by scanning the HIN label that was placed on the hood. This makes compliance easier, test results more accessible, and is a more efficient solution than anything on the market for testers. The software also allows a testing company to build a database of their clients' hoods. You can categorize by client and location, as well as specifics like buildings, floors, room numbers, and hood identification numbers. We're bringing fume hoods into the digital world. The impact of our work is tangible. Chip Albright and his partners have over 160 years of combined fume hood experience. They've seen the aftermath of significant laboratory hood-related safety incidents. We're not just enhancing safety, we're cultivating a safer scientific community. No one wants to have a serious incident and become a statistic. The Chemical Safety Board reported 262 significant incidents between 2001 and 2018. That resulted in 490 serious injuries and 10 deaths. These are mostly fires and explosions, but that's not the whole story since health issues caused by exposure are not easily tracked. For us, it isn't so much about the money or the business as it is about reducing the number of accidents and instances of exposure. In 2020, Chip wrote the book Laboratory Fume Hoods Explained, and it was so popular that we converted it into a free online course. Lab Manager also makes this available.
Looking forward, Fume Hood Certified is committed to improving the quality of fume hood testing and making training more commonplace. Without proper testing, there's no way to verify a hood's containment. We call upon our peers in the industry to join us in this endeavor. Together we can elevate the standards of laboratory safety, ensuring a safer, more efficient working environment for all. As we accept this award, we see this not as a finish line, but as a step forward in our ongoing journey. A journey towards a future where lab safety is not just a regulation, but a way of life. Thank you once again for this honor. We at Fume Hood Certified will continue to champion the cause of laboratory safety, making a difference one fume hood at a time. Let's work together to make fume hood users safer.